shallow wells used for the supplemental irrigation are included in the consent of use permit. And that was a question that John would cover.
Right. Mr. Chairman, the public hearing, this is a continuation from the last meeting here. And we're going to be continuing that to the next meeting. And we just have to show continuity that this public hearing is going to be continued. And I know there was there's some comments and concerns, like you started with rhythm, but we can address that during the regular meeting.
Okay. So we're not going to address this hearing, this continuation. We're just going to, I mean, I read your recommendation, but I just assumed that we would discuss it during that public hearing.
No,
we're just going to continue.
Because not all the items are ready to discuss.
Okay. All right. Well, we have a recommendation from our staff to continue this until, let's see, February the 30th?
Well, it should be the 7th. I'm sorry. There was a typo.
Okay, I'll make a motion that we accept the continuation till the 2nd of February.
2nd or 7th?
7th.
Excuse me, the 7th.
Okay. We have a motion and a second to continue the public hearing until February 7th. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Vote on replacement for Mr. Anderson. I'd be happy to entertain that so we can forward that to Mr. Pete. I'm still working on that as well. Okay, Board of County Commissioners report.
Yes, ma'am. At the last usury, and that was approved. That's all I have to report this time.
Okay. If not, is there a motion to approve tonight's agenda? We have a motion and a second to approve. All those in favor say aye. Aye. All those opposed? Okay, approval of minutes from the December 6th meeting.